Yeah, but for Capital One, what you're seeing, no, is Coach Roger is playing with his six, trying to, when we say play, not in a bad way, it's like he's trying to find the right six to start with. So it's very interesting to see. Ginoo riding the bench, right? So we'll see how this six will do.
Right now, they get the first point of the game, but that's right, Noreen. It's usually the 20th mark, 20-point mark, really. They begin to fold as Chai Troncoso finding the long bomb there as...
Lumalalim yung bond ng team and she takes pride in their wins, albeit being quite few. It's a product of their dedication of building that team from the ground up. So her wish, more wins and more years for the team here in the league. So happy birthday to the Solar Spikers. We hope all your wishes come true. Kayo ba, Jaime Noreen? Any birthday wishes for the Solar Spikers?
No birthday wishes, but happy birthday to Capital One. This means it's a must game, a must-win game here during their birthday as an ongoing rally won by the Solar Spikers. Iba nga pang energy na rin ng Capital One ngayon, no?
But you like the way she approaches, you know? It's all force, all energy, which is why she's there.
There's Genesis. Dug up, Gamit, stretches. Bump set, Estrella from the other side. And out of bounds.
Right back at it. Good serve.
The set to Arroyo. Dug by Singh. The counter for Genesis. Versosa was there. Gamit on the move.
The dig.
What a dig by Doromal. So they go back row. Jorel Singh getting it from the back row. Iba-iba yan lagi.
Genesis. Creation.
Creation. In Latin.
Beginning.
Sparking a fire here, hopefully. Rally ongoing. Gagate. Height the smite on that play.
Is it just me or does Arroyo look a bit pale?
You can ask.
Yeah, right? No, I mean, right? They're not the tallest, but you have the option when both are in front or in the back so that there's a lot of more variety.
Grabe yung sound effects pag sising yung umaatake na rin.
Even Genesis.
Yeah. In the meantime, Cloan Mondoñedo to the slide. What a save by Iris. My goodness. Arroyo putting it up. They improvise. Jov gets it through the block. I've been talking to Cloan kanina. Sabi niya sawa na nga daw siya. Siya na naman, you know. I see the chemistry is there. What another strike by Genesis. It's the 10th deadlock of the game. That is our magic word. Doromal saves it. Bump to Jarel. A chance ball here. Cloan Mondoñedo to Chini Arroyo. Genesis was just not tall enough.
The mind was willing. Yeah, very close first set.
Good first ball. Jorel Singh from the open. Binalik. Isa pa para kay Singh. Dug by Angeles. That one was solid. Arroyo on the cross.
Another good one.
Back row, Trisha. Drop ball. Saved. Counter. Gagate. Here comes Iris. Sets up Singh once again, but the blockers were prepared. Singh continues to try. She will not take no for an answer. Baka malagpasan niya na dito sa first set. First set pa lang. In the meantime, combination play. Read well. That one has saved Iris. Tolenada with a nice set to Estrella that time. This set will refuse to end. Troncoso with the receive. Gonzaga going long. Veteran play for Jovelyn Gonzaga. They've been having a hard time with these serves in the late parts of the set. Niegos from the middle. Sid Niegos.
Important part.
First ball Angeles. Gonzaga na naman. Naiangat ni Singh. Papalo si Genesis. Binalik. Tolenada. Back to Trisha. Dug by Angeles. A solid save. This will lead to a free ball. Capital One. Iris tosses. Estrella. An adjustment. Gamit off the quick.
Still alive.
Buhay na buhay pa rin. Jovelyn Gonzaga with a point. Here in the first set. They will go to Genesis. Here's Zeus' chance right here. Troncoso off the block. Estrella from the opposite.
Oh, good cover.
That one was covered well. Genesis inside. It's inside, and we are tied at 27. It's a breath of fresh air here for Trisha Genesis. In the meantime, Troncoso will respond. It's been the veterans really here for Zeus. Troncoso. Do you remember that game? It was here as well.
I had too many of those.
Why not this one? Clemente de Guzman popped up. Arroyo, nope. Iris sprints to give a set to Genesis, and Angeles has been everywhere. Arroyo!
No, by Coach Roger, putting in Des Clemente.
21 na yung My goodness. As Arroyo with back-to-back points. And now is the time for Zeus with a full front line, and Cloan serving.
Great serve.
Singh will improvise. Here it goes. Taya Gagate putting it away. And that is how you end a long first set.